My name is John Prodoehl. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Florida Orthopaedic Associates. I see a wide variety of injuries, including fractures and sports injuries, but I specialize in knee and hip joint replacements. I was always fascinated with the human body. My mother was an OR nurse, so I grew up learning to respect the medical field and have an interest in it. After graduating from the Medical College of Pennsylvania in 1990, I did my residency there. It was a wonderful experience, my medical training. I loved every minute of it. The teamwork in the OR was an example of what I wanted to be part of. And then, of course, you are helping to repair someone who's been injured, which is, I think, a noble thing to do. The first thing I do when I meet a patient is to look them in the eye when I ask them what is the matter. It's important to be looking at the patient and not at a computer, making them feel comfortable and listening to the patient. What are their concerns? What are their goals? What are they not able to do that they want to be able to do? I have been very fortunate to be associated with Florida Orthopaedic Associates. My colleagues are exemplary in their approach to the patients. What's great for the patient that goes to Florida Orthopaedic Associates is that after they've established a relationship with one physician, if they have another type of problem, they can go to the same facility and see another specialist within the group, which is very convenient and allows the patient to have a level of assurance that they will receive great care. When I see a patient post-operatively return to a level of activity that is pain-free and they are very satisfied with the procedure, it gratifies me to know that they're resuming a life that is full again and that they can enjoy life and activity with their family. That's important to me. My hopes for the future is just to become ingrained in the community and to be part of giving back to the community in terms of medical care and advice. I feel that is a very valuable aspect of living in a community, is to be able to positively affect them.